This is a quick video about how to embed something to your blog. So for this example, we're going to be using Coggle. Again, this works with anything that you can get an embed code for. So as I'm looking at my Coggle here, I need to find a way to share it with any website. That's going to look different. The best way to do that is kind of use your mouse and hover over different things until you find one that says share. So I'm going to click share on this Coggle. We want to make sure that, yes, we want everyone to be able to see this. And then these two kind of end carets, that's really what you want for an embed code. So as soon as I click that, down here at the bottom is an embed code. And so I'm going to use my short keys, Control-C, to copy that. And I'm going to go over to my blog, and I am going to create a new post. Now inside Blogger, what's really great is that on my front page, or where it loads as a default, it always loads on this compose button, and that's usually where I want to live. But there's also a space called HTML, and so I'm going to title this post my Coggle. Often if you want to embed something, you at least want to do some kind of description first. So I'm going to give that an opportunity. I'm going to write that so that I can write above it again if I want to. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click HTML. When I am on this HTML site, you're going to start seeing some coding things. We don't need to get really deep into coding. All you need to know is that to embed something, you want to make sure your cursor is on its own line. We don't want anything else there. We want to click Control-V to paste our embed code wherever we found it. And then you'll notice that within that embed code, there is a width and a height. And we'll do another video later on what to do if that doesn't exist. But typically your width is going to be around 600, and your height can really be anything that you want in terms of how you want it to look on your blog. But for something that is typically going to be a square like I would want my Coggle to be, I will also make that 600. Then if I go back to compose, sometimes it takes a little while for it to show up. But here is my Coggle, and so when I publish that and I go to view my post, then everybody who views my blog will also be able to view whatever it is that I've embedded. Okay, make sure that you do this for all of your blog posts where you need to embed things.